Doing good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my GoDaddy free website review. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a free website on GoDaddy, and we'll also be looking at the pros and cons of this website. Now, to get started, all you'll need to do is go onto godaddy.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you're all signed up, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on Set up a free website. After you have tapped on Set up a free website, you'll be redirected to this page, and you have four options. Either to create a website that you'll be using to sell something online, or you can create a booking website, or you can choose to accept online bill payments or donation, or you can tap on something else. So you can select whichever one of these options suits you. Now let's say, for example, I want to create an appointment booking website, so I'm going to be selecting this option. After you have done that, you're going to tap on continue. Then from here you can choose your category, so you can see that there are numerous categories that you can choose from, or you can type in. For example, I'm going to select consultation, so let me do that real quick. So I'll type in consultation right there. After you have done that, you'll tap on continue. Then from here you can enter your website name, so I'm just going to call it test. Then I'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while they build out your website in the background. Once your website is up and running, as you can see right here, so let me refresh the page real quick. Once your website is up and running, you can see that you have a few options, and you can see what sections would you like on your website. So you can choose the sections right here. At the moment, we have the about section, online appointments, reviews, contact us, and subscribe. So if it is a case that you like to add introduction and content, I'm going to tap right there. You can scroll down. If you like to add the PayPal button, you can tap there. If you'd like to add logos and badges, you can tap right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue to my site. After tapping on continue to my site, this is how our website looks at the moment. So you can see how it looks right now. Now to start editing it, let's say for example you like to make changes to a particular section. You can quickly do that. If we like to change the background picture, all you have to do is select the current pick, then go over to the right hand menu option, and you'll see cover media. You'll tap on cover media. Then from there you can see you can either choose to add a video or slideshow, or you can scroll down and tap on change image, and you'll be able to change the image and upload something else from your device. Another thing you can also do is, if you like to edit the text, you can simply tap on the current text. Once you have tapped on the current text, from there you can type out whatever you want. So for example, I could type out hello, welcome to Simple Answers. Let me do that real quick. You can see right there. And also, if I would like to change the accent colors or navigation background or anything like that, sorry, I can quickly do that. And you can see you can tap on site navigation, and from here you'll be able to see the home page. And if you'd like to add another page, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus. After tapping on the plus, you could select new page, and after selecting new page, you can see to add more pages we would need to go on their paid plan. So we're going to leave it as is. You can also tap on the plus here to add another section. After tapping there, from there you can see the different sections that you can add. So for example, you could tap on take payments, and from there you'll be able to add a payment section. You can also tap on popular, and from here you'll see the different popular sections. You can tap on audio and video if it is a case that you'd like to add audio. If you like to add live stream, podcast, or a video, you can add any one of these options. If it is a case that you like to add a blog and newsletter, you could tap on blog. Then from there, you could select the format that you would like to use. Then you will simply tap on add. After you have tapped on add, you can see that the section has been added. Now to start writing your blog, all you need to do, you can go over to the right hand section once more, and from here you could start writing your blog. You could tap on intro and you could write out your intro. Then you could tap on manage blog and it would add it to it. You can also add external blog feed. So once you have tapped on manage blog, you'll be redirected to this page. Then you will tap on create post, and from here you'll be able to create your first blog post. So you could enter in your blog title, and then you can enter in the content right here. And by the way, by tapping on the plus, you'll be able to add images, videos, and you can also add a divider. So the options when it comes on to adding different elements in the blog is limited compared to other platforms. But again, this is their free plan, so you would have to understand that they won't be offering a lot of options on the free plan. So at the moment, that is how it would look. And you can create numerous blog posts. All you'll need to do is tap on create post. You can also tap on subscriptions, and from here you could email your post to subscribers. You can also tap on social, and from here you'll be able to share your post on Facebook and also on X, as you can see right there. Now once on the website, we are going to continue editing, so you can scroll down and you can see the different sections right there, and all you'll need to do is tap on a particular section that you would like to edit and you can quickly edit it. Now if you would like to change the theme, you can also do that by tapping on theme in the top right hand corner. From here you could tap on try new look and you could change the theme. And also if we were to tap on next step right here, after tapping on next step from the top navigation bar, you can see the different options that you have. So for example, you can choose to add a logo if you want. You can also use Facebook images on your site, as you can see right there. And if you would like to preview how your website looks, you can tap on preview. And you can also view how it would look on mobile. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on publish. And you can see publishing just a moment. And your website will now be live. And you can see your URL right here. All you'll need to do is simply copy your URL and you'll be able to share it. So at the moment, this is how our website look. So we are provided with a free URL by GoDaddy. By the way, another thing that I should tell you is, in case you would like to add a chat box, all you'll need to do is tap on chat in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see right here, you can set up your greeting message. You can also choose the chat color, and you can also add a confirmation message and so on. If you would like to disable it in the future, you can simply tap in the bottom right hand corner where you see enable chat. You could tap on disable it. You can also add a pop-up